Boy, here's a beauty. 1985 Chevrolet K10 Silverado short box. And this one is nicely done. As you can see, suspension lift sitting up in the air. Underneath the hood, 350 Chevy V8 powered. That is paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. So you get an automatic with overdrive for going down the road. And man, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC does blow cold. Power windows, power locks, intermittent wipers, tilt column, cruise. This is set up, and of course Silverado package is going to give you a lot of that. And you can check out the original build options that this would have had off the RPO codes in the glove box, and that'll be in with the still pictures, engine bay, underneath the truck, interior. Those still pictures can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see it. Feel free to call us too. Don't think this one's going to last too long. 507-386-1726. All right, as far as condition, this vehicle has a little over 3,500 miles on the odometer according to the previous owner. That's since the restoration was done, and it was a thorough one. You take a look at the paint on this. This was originally a silver truck. I would say it's very similar to the original color it would have been. It's got a medium grade, a silver metallic paint. And look at how straight that is. And the paint is in nice condition. Of course, chrome bumpers up front here. You can see and back and forth on those a few times to give you an idea. Very nice condition as far as the bumpers go. Bright work front and grille. Everything looking good up front. Riding on nice polished wheels. BF Goodrich all-terrain radials. Take a look up and down the passenger side here also. Bed liner, spray in to match. Spray in gray liner to match. And just to show you how fussy the previous owners of this have been, there's actually a bed mat that's above the spray and liner, and you can check that out in the pictures also. Truxedo tonneau cover. You can see that rolled up in the pictures, and check out the bed liner there also. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust, MagnaFlow exhaust on this one. Take a look back here. There's also a Rydeen backup camera that's built right into the mirror. There's your camera for it, and that will project on the rear view mirror for when backing up. And this thing is set up nice. Bucket seats in it, shifter on the column. Great looking interior, great a match. We're going to get in there in a second here. We're going to fire this thing up so you can hear it run. Once again, still pictures so you can check out that exhaust underneath. Check out the underneath of this truck. Check out the interior at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. All right, let's take a look up and down this driver's side. And again, I mean, you may have a few little nicks that have been touched up from maybe some rocks kicking up, but overall, extremely clean and nice paint. There isn't bubbling above the wheel wells. There's a little bit of a coating to help with those rock chips on the bottom of this all the way around. See it down here too. So it's going to help you out with the typical spots. You do get the rock chips on the paint. So, and that's the same as the coating that's in the bed. I mean, this is just done up nice. Smoked windows, tinted windows, power locks, power windows. Of course, tilt and cruise, mentioned that. Intermittent wipers. Wipers do work. AC blows cold. AM, FM cassette, radio works. Dual tanks. Both tanks are on this truck. Take a look at this dash. Not full of cracks, fading, anything like that. Gauge cluster, there you go. TAC works. There's the miles according to previous owner since it was restored, 3793. All the gauges appear to be working over here. Just wow. Four-wheel drive shift on the floor, carpeting all in nice shape. There's also floor mats that go with this. There's the more plastic rugged one, and there's also the cloth ones. Both are included in the purchase. Nice setup here, bucket seats. Both have the armrests. Like I said, the rearview mirror camera, I might as well show you over here. Show you how this works. Click it into reverse, and that comes on right there, so you can see for backing up. Put it back into drive, rearview mirror goes back. All right. But again, nice bucket seats, armrest on both. Fold down, fold them up, center console. This truck is done up right, let's put it that way. All right, slip around to the back here. There's that MagnaFlow exhaust, man. Good sounding truck too. Over here where the mats is talking about, those will go with it. A few miscellaneous cables. Looks like a header gasket, manifold gasket, and there is a service manual there. And then there's your more rugged liner that'll go with it also. All right, I'm going to slip to the front. I want to pop this hood, check out this engine bay. You know it's going to look as good as the rest of this truck. I think I'll pop the bed open too, so you can check that out. So hang on a second, let's check out the rest of this truck.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Wow, look at this. How neat and tidy is this? The jackets, stock place over there. Little K10 chrome. Air cleaner cover for a little dress up. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Just look at how nice that engine bay is. Underside of the hood finished off just as nice. And you can take this truck to any of your local shows, cruise-ins. This thing's going to turn some heads. Might bring you home some trophies too, I'm guessing. All right, back to this bed liner. I want to show you this too, because very nicely done. So like I said, so you have the bed liner here, spray in, color keyed to match the truck. The bed's done the same way, but they actually put a mat in here. They didn't want to mess it up. I mean, wow. There's a spare tire back there, and the rest of the floor mats and miscellaneous few parts that go with it, manual, we'll have them in the bed too. Now remember, you can check that tonneau cover rolled up and check out the bed in the still pictures. You can see the underside, engine bay. Check this whole truck out in the still pictures because it's amazing. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. The easiest way to do it is call right now, and let's get you this truck in your garage. 507-386-1726. Look forward to hearing from you.